In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $35,150 in commission in just in 90 days promoting affiliate links using free traffic. Okay, I will share with you guys my methods that I'm using. I will share with you which affiliate links I'm promoting. For beginners, I will show you step by step how you can create an affiliate account like this one. This is my affiliate account dashboard, as you can see, and this is my numbers and my commissions. And as you can see over here in my balance, I have $11,250 in commission, and I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, so let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, okay? And you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, okay? And you should have an account like this one. So what you will do, you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission and you can make so much money with Fiverr affiliates. It's the best profitable affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Okay, so just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, your username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. We will use YouTube to promote our affiliate links to get free traffic. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to your YouTube homepage. Okay, just open your YouTube homepage like this, and you need just to use YouTube search to find a profitable services that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so why I choose to promote my affiliate links on YouTube? So did you know that YouTube has 30 billion monthly visitors? Okay, you can get so much traffic from YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine. Google is number one, YouTube is number two. Okay, and 30 billion monthly visitors, that's really a big number. Millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, products on YouTube. Okay, so what you will do, you will click on the search and you will ask questions. So for example, you will ask how to, let's say for example, how to run Facebook ads, and here you go. You just need to ask any question and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. People are searching for how to run Facebook ads for Shopify, how to run Facebook ads for clients, how to run Facebook ads for clothing brand. Okay, so those people who are searching for those services, they have money. Okay, and they don't know exactly how to run ads for Shopify or for clothing brand, so they are looking for how they can do it. Okay, and this is a report search prediction. That's what people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so let's take this topic, how to run Facebook ads for Shopify. I will go to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search for Facebook ads. Okay, search for Facebook ads Shopify. Okay, search for Facebook ads Shopify. Scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's see if we can find good seller here. I will run Shopify, Facebook ads, campaign, Instagram, like this one, for example. This one is really looking good. He is level 2 seller, 5 star. He has a lot of reviews. I will click on his service, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. Okay, what you will do, you will copy his profile link, okay, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, click over here again, and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, before we do that, we will go back to this seller profile page. We will click on his video, and double click on the video, click on save video. Okay, and you need to save this video to your laptop. Okay, ads Facebook, I'm gonna name it ads Facebook, for example. Click on save. Okay, and what you will do next, you will go back to Google, search for Canva. Okay, like this, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Canva. Click over here on video, and you will be directly in this page. Over here, click over here, click on upload, and click on upload file, and upload this video to your Canva account. Okay, click on open. Your video will be uploaded. Click on your video, and your video will be like this. Click on this 3 points, click on set video as background, click on text, scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. It's really easy. I will use, for example, this one like this. Click on this text style, I will click on this one, I will delete this one, and I will decrease the font size of this text. I will put this text here, double click, and write this sentence: check link in my description. Okay, check link in my description, like this. Make this text like looking okay, like this. I will put this text here. Click over here on ship, scroll down, click on elements, and then click on ship. Okay, and click on color, and use black color. Okay, click on your ship and put this ship behind your text like this. Okay, and here you go. Click on your video and click on volume and decrease the background music to 0. We don't want background music, it's just annoying. Okay, let's check now. So people who are searching for how to run ads for Shopify, they will watch your video like this. Okay, they will see the seller is explaining his service to his customers. Okay, they will see this check link in my description. They will check your YouTube description. You will put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. Okay, so after you finish, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel, upload this video. Okay, copy this title, how to run Facebook ads for Shopify, exactly like that. Okay, just copy and paste, because you should use this keyword, how to run Facebook ads for Shopify. So people who are using this keyword to search for how to run Facebook ads for Shopify, they will find your video in search results. If you are not using this keyword, your video will not rank in search results. Okay, so use this keyword. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here or from here, put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. Start using these methods. Use YouTube search, find which services are people searching for, go to Fiverr, search for those services, choose good sellers, come back to Canva, make a video about this service, upload this video to your YouTube channel, put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. You just need to stay consistent and keep improving, and you can make so much money from YouTube using free traffic, promoting affiliate links. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos. So for people who don't know exactly how to upload this video to your YouTube channel, how to put affiliate link in your description, I will leave a link in my description below for a video that will show you step by step how you can do it.